degrees, maximum 32 knots, minimum 22 knots.
Roger, that's copy. Thank you.
Number 2, approximately 6 miles ahead, Airbus 330. And copy wind gusting from 0 to 0 degrees, maximum 34 knots, minimum 2.
Number 3 for landing on 029 and SS1.
Nekem ez is sokat ér. Ilyenem még nincs. Már mindjárt itt a 340-es, már felmelem közel.
Now they want 4 by taking left, contact now 1750.